All right, information that we received is that two persons was in the Content Drive area of Walton Park, and they were washed away in the same gully. The fire brigade was alerted, and we came at Chesterfield, where residents informed us that they rescued one female and a male is yet to be found.
And can you confirm the name of the gully? You said they washed away from Waltham. The name of the gully?
This gully has several names, but at this section, it is known as the Maho Gully.
Are you able to say if both persons are related in any way?
I can't tell.
Or are
Because when we arrived on the scene, the female was rescued and taken to a hospital for medical care.
Based on information from the residents, did they say what happened, what caused for them to get washed away?
Yeah, they was trouble trying to cross the gully that is heavily flooded with water, and the swiftness of the water washed them away.
You know the condition of the woman right now was told she
No,
was
I can't
transferred to
tell.
the hospital.
That lady will be in the care of the medical personnel. They are trying to see if they can find easier access to the swampy area to search for the young man.